Although most people are aware that drinking alcohol excessively can harm the liver, this is by no means the only way the organ can be harmed. The liver's ability to detoxify the body is weakened or destroyed when certain conditions occur. The liver needs assistance when this happens. These simple ways for liver detoxification will assist your liver in getting back on its feet, so that it can continue working to keep you healthy. Drink more water. Simple liver detoxification methods frequently look simple. However, the simple fact is that water facilitates the liver's ability to transport toxins through its own cellular systems and expedite their exit from the body. However, not just any water will do to receive the full benefits of detoxification. When you first wake up in the morning, between meals, in the early evening, and not too much 2 hours before bed, drink filtered tap water at room temperature. To increase the efficiency of your water, add a small teaspoon of salt and the spice turmeric. An excellent overall guideline is to drink 4 liters of water every day. Avoid drinking water that is carbonated or that is packaged in plastic. Get your sweat out. You might be able to do this by simply going outside, depending on where you live. However, this is not the best way to employ perspiration to cleanse the liver. Exercise-induced sweat has its own cleansing advantages, ejecting toxins from their cozy couches and expelling them from the body with the sweat. Sweating out toxins can be accomplished by hot yoga, a leisurely stroll, exercises, or a sauna session. Just be sure to immediately wipe away sweat with a toxin to prevent reabsorption of toxin back into the body, and immediately take a cool shower after sweating. Spend quality time in bed. Science is only now beginning to comprehend why people require at least 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Sleep is a key factor in metabolism regulation, detoxification, and the removal of toxins from the brain and nervous system from the liver. Sleep turns off bodily processes that are not absolutely necessary, so that the body can focus its energy on processing, mending, repairing, and detoxifying. In order to remove toxins from the body while you sleep and to restore cognitive, physical, and behavioral processes that enhance mood, focus, and endurance, the lymphatic system collaborates with the liver. Choose anti-inflammatory foods. A few foods naturally promote healthy liver function. Finding out about these foods and incorporating them into your daily routine will support the liver in performing at its peak. As an added bonus, consuming foods with natural anti-inflammatory properties can lower the risk of developing fatty liver disease, which is essentially the result of the liver absorbing too much fat. Fatty liver disease can progress into cirrhosis, a disorder that leaves behind lasting scars and inhibits liver regeneration over time and with ongoing harm. The good news is that a diet that supports liver function can also help you lose weight or maintain your weight, have more energy, sleep better, and look younger. Reduce or remove toxins from your daily routine. This is typically the step in the liver cleanse routine that no one gets too excited about. The basic fact is that the more toxins the liver must remove from the human system, the more poisons are put into it. A successful liver detox never involves adding to the liver's workload. Your liver will get a much-needed vacation to do some overdue house cleaning if you cut back on or completely avoid all animal protein, alcohol, sugar, wheat, maize, soy, tobacco, processed foods, caffeine, and nuts. Give aid to the digestive system. Your digestive system will transfer less work to the liver as it becomes more efficient at flushing out pollutants. Probiotics are one of the best aids a digestive system can ever receive. The power balance in the gut is immediately shifted by these tiny beneficial bacteria from unhealthy flora and fauna back to beneficial bacteria. Fermented foods including pickles, sauerkraut, kimchi, and tiny beans boiled for 3 days all contain probiotics. Consume once a day in modest doses. Kombucha, miso, and kefir are examples of fermented foods that should only be consumed infrequently since they can easily overload the liver's function, especially if it is already impaired. Many people are initially apprehensive or resistant to doing a liver cleanse because the entire procedure just sounds strange and possibly difficult. But as these 6 suggestions demonstrate, it is actually extremely simple to aid with liver detoxification. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.